Hi everyone, here we have age-old problem and we're gonna solve it now. So the question or the problem is a man is 5 times as old as his son. 4 years ago he was 9 times as old, and we have to find the present age of the man and his son. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have a look what has been given. So, and it's a man is 5 times as old as his son. And then we have 4 years ago he was 9 times as old. So we can see that here we do have two different variables that we need to define. And so that is the age of the man and the age of his son. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually, I'm just going to write here variables. So, and the first one, I'm just going to use, they're talking a man. So I'm going to say here M is going to represent man's age. Okay, man's age. And I'm going to use S, and S is going to represent son's age. So we have defined variables, unknown one. At this stage, it's M for man's age and S for son's age. Now, the other information that has been given here is a man is 5 times. Man, so I'm going to have here man. Man is as 5 times as old as his son. So this is the age of man now, and he's the age of son now, but we do know that the age of man is 5 times as his son. So that is now. It's present. Okay, so that is present. So this is at this stage. Now, the other information given says here, 4 years ago, he was 9 times as old. 4 years ago. So I'm gonna write here in, okay, this column. 4 years ago, 4 years ago, man's age, if its current age is M, so then 4 years ago it was M take away 4. And if the current son's age is S, then 4 years ago son's age is S take away 4. So, and another piece of information that has been given, that 4 years ago man was 9 times as old as his son. So 9 times as old as, whatever age of son was 9 years ago. The next thing is going to be to, actually now we do have 2 equations. So 2 equations. So this is the first one here. M is equal 5S, and M take away 4 is equal to 9 times S take away 4. So how we're going to solve this one now is we're going to use one of the methods. You can use elimination, substitution, graphing, graphics calculator, but we are going to choose substitution. So, and before I start, I'm going to label the first equation as 1 and the second one here as 2. So, and I'm going to sub 1 into 2. So, which means now 1 is M equal 5x, S, and then 2 is M take away 4 equal to 9 times S take away 4. Every time I see the value of M is going to be replaced by 5S. So we're going to have 5S take away 4 is equal to 9S take away 4. And the next step, it will be just, doing a little bit of algebra, expanding 9 times S is 9S, 9 times Negative 4 is negative 36. And the next step is now collecting like terms. So collecting like terms, I'm just going to move this bit up. So collecting like terms, which is in this case putting all s's on one side and constant to the other side. So the first, I'm going to get rid of 9s by taking away 9s on both sides. Take away 9s on both sides. This is going to give me negative 4s. Take away 4 equal to, this is gone, negative 36. The next step is getting rid of, cancelling out a negative 4, which is going to happen by adding 4 to both sides. Remember, whatever you do on one side, it's going to happen, you have to apply to the other side as well. So this is gone, and we have now negative 4s is equal to negative 32. We still have negative 4s, and we just need 1s, one sun. So how we're going to get rid of negative 4 is by dividing both sides by negative 4, because negative 4 divided by negative 4, it's 1, and that's what we want. So it's gone. It's going to give us s is equal to 8. So the age of son is 8. We still have to find the age of man or his father. So, and what we're going to do, we're going to use this value s equal to n and substitute into any equation that we want. I'm not going to choose this. I'm just going to change my mind because this one here does look more simple. So, therefore, m is equal to 5s. So you can choose any equation you want. So it could be either 2 or 1, so it doesn't make any difference. But usually you go with 1, you know that it's easier to solve. So 5 times s, age of son is 8. So therefore age of the man is 5 times s. 5 times 8. So the age of man is 40. So this is the current age. Now, if you do want to check if this is correct, so you can use method checking, so which means you just use those values and substitute in both equation and see if you're gonna get correct answer. So we may use that. So let's have a look at the first one. M is 40, so we already like sort of, you know, check that one. 5 times 8, so it's 40, so that's the same. Let's use number 2 equation. M is 40, take away 4. Left hand side and right hand side, they have to be the same. 8 take away 4. 40 take away 4 is 36 and is equal to 9. 8 take away 4 is 4. 36 is equal to 36. Beautiful, it's correct because both sides are equal. So, and that would be all for now. So I hope this was helping, and thank you for watching. Bye.